Hello, my name is Haley Engel, and this video is for my A&P2 class. It is for the Module 6 assignment, Part 2. This module discusses the digestive system, and this portion of the assignment specifically asked to locate a secondary or accessory organ of the digestive system and to explain a bit about its function and the role that it plays in digestion. The organ I selected is the spleen, which you can see here a little better, otherwise is slightly hidden behind some of the other organs that we have, such as the stomach and the liver. A couple roles that the pancreas plays in the role of digestion is that the juices inside the pancreas are called enzymes. Enzymes allow us to break down the foods that we eat and really absorb the sugars, fats, starches, break those down so that we can use them as energy. The pancreas also plays a role in producing different enzymes or different hormones. And those hormones allow us to do different things like regulate our blood sugar when we're hungry, the production of stomach acids, and tells your stomach when to empty as well.